What the frick? Dude, it's actually so quiet.
Oh, no.
Look. And there's a car.
Out of like a million times that passes.
Like, no, dude, it's weird because, oh my gosh, do you guys see the rainbow?
That means love, alright? Love.
Pretty.
Love.
Hey!
It's a beautiful day in the neighborhood. Will you be mine? What a settle. Dude, I'm going to try to climb one of these ash trees.
Alright.
Oh, I'm going to climb that box thing.
Ew! Ew!
DH.
I don't even know what that is.
There's a caterpillar on here.
Oh, really? Where? Oh, it looks like something. It looks like poo. Nah. Let's just suffer in the tree. Talking. You gotta tell them why we're making this video.
Because we like to walk.
Yeah, we're walking around.
Wait, walking around the town, smoking pot, pretty hot.
This doesn't rhyme. Okay, we're walking down around town because we're cool. Look, and it's Bradshaw.
Nico, I just want to see if he's lying to us.
Nico, if you're lying to us and see this video, you're a liar. We're coming to see if your parents are home. Hear that? She said you're a liar.
If your parents are home.
I don't.
Almost fell.
You guys are gonna listen. Nico, you are a liar.
It's so weird when you're on YouTube. You are one. Okay, come on, just do one. Well,
Nico's a liar.
you're